Check out this waterfall, Burgess Falls on Center Hill Lake in Tennessee, accessible by personal watercraft, canoes, kayaks, paddleboarding, and hiking. Yeah, I told you that waterfall was mesmerizing. That is Burgess Falls on Center Hill Lake in Middle Tennessee. So if you like this content and enjoyed it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kevin11 Outdoor Adventures. That's KEVINELEVEN Outdoor Adventures. And check out more of my adventures and places to go. And if you need directions or want some help getting into these places, just leave me a comment below.